Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Adventures in CNC! So we're going to take another look at the tele control panels that I tried to make and messed up. These ones turned out a lot better. This time around I'm just using a 1/4" bit to rough out the outside shape. Just change bits real quick over to my 1/2" V-groove bit. I use it to rough in the holes just because it's easier to do this on the CNC to get them exactly where they're supposed to be than it is on a drill press. And then I go over it a couple of times to get the line to the exact, to a good depth, not the exact depth, but one that I can rough in with a saw blade and stuff. As you can see, everything lines up pretty good with licensed fender control plate. All the holes are pretty much in the right spot. And then just rough it in. I use a hand drill and a file. Just need to sand it down and clean this spot up a little bit better. Not a big deal. Won't take too long to do. Now this, I'm just using a piece of scrap to more or less prototype a pickup cover that I'm wanting to do. It's actually to change out the pickup covers, the aluminum pickup covers that I did for my Firebird guitar that I have. I was never really happy with the way those turned out and the way they look. So this is a prototype cover. I decided to make the first draft out of pine. But the biggest reason I'm showing this video clip here is I'm going to show in just a minute how far off the Z-axis is on this machine. Everything was set up to make the same depth of cut and everything, and the piece of wood is perfectly flat. But here in a minute you'll be able to see that it's off by, I mean, it's just a hair that it's off, but for really precise work, if you're doing detailed 3D carves, this machine wouldn't really cut it. There would be just look real sloppy. Alright, if you guys would like and subscribe and maybe leave a thumbs up and a comment, that would be great. And here, as you can see on those tabs, it's just off a little bit. But just imagine if you were trying to do like a 3D carve of, you know, President Jackson's face or something. That wouldn't look very good with those lines all in it. because your z-axis is just slightly off. So that's one of the big flaws of this machine. But considering the price and the size of this machine and the work it is able to do, they're in okay value when you compare them to other CNCs that are roughly the same size and same power.